So, good day, my dear STEM students. For today, we'll be discussing all about the Lewis structure of the atom. But before we proceed to our topic, let us first know what are valence electrons. So, valence electrons are the outer electrons or outer shell electrons of an atom. The valence electrons are the electron that participates in chemical bonding. Okay, so valence electrons are the essential electrons. Okay, during chemical bonds. How to identify valence electron? This is the most important thing in writing the Lewis symbols. You have to know the number of valence electron for each atom or for each element in the periodic table. Okay, so you can identify the valence electron just by simply using the group number. Okay, you can use the group number or the electron configuration of the given element. Then you can identify the valence already. Okay, so for group 1A, the valence electron is 1. The valence electron for representative element always equal to the group number of that element. So that is the family A. Those are the representative elements. Okay, so ang valence electron niya always equal to the group number. So madali lang. So elements belonging to what that particular group in family A, that is the valence electron already. Okay, so pagdating sa 2A, 2 ang valence electron, 3 is 3, then 4 is 4 valence, 5, 6, and then 7. Pagdating sa 8, so we all know that kung group number is equal to the valence, so pag sa group 8, the valence electron is already 8. Okay, so how to identify valence electron given the electronic configuration of the atom? Okay, so but before we further discuss that part, let us have this map. So if you have 2p6, okay, this 2 here is your first quantum number or your n. We already discussed the 4 sets of quantum number. So ito yon, yung katabi ng sublevel ng p is the quantum number. This is also known as the period number. Period number. And the main energy level. Okay, the main energy level. This is your sublevel or orbital. And then yung exponent ng inyong sublevel is the valence electron. Valence electron and also the group number. Okay, yan yung map natin. Okay, so how to identify the valence electron of this electronic configuration? Hindi naman natin alam kung anong element yan. So, ang gagawin ninyo, hahanapin nyo yung pinakamataas na n value. Okay, so this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. So, ang pinakamataas na n value is 4 and then s1. So, kung ano yung exponent ng sublevel, that is the valence electron. So in our first example, we have 1 valence electron. In the second example, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2. So ang highest na is 3s2. 3s2. So kung ano tabi na sublevel at ang exponent na is 2, the valence electron is equal to 2 also. Okay? 2 valence electron. Third example. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So in this third example, we have here 2 highest n value which is 3. Yung dalawa. So itong dalawang to, siya yung kunin nyo. So that is 3s2 and then 3p5. And then you're going to add the exponent of s and p, that is 5 plus 2, you will have 7 valence electrons. Okay? Then next, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So, dalawa ulit. So, kunin niyo siya. That is 3s2 and then 3p4. So, the valence electron 4 plus 2, that is 6 valence electron. And then last, so last is, this is 4s1. So, ang last is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. So, this time, hindi lagi siyang nasa dulo. So, yung mga nauna, lagi nasa dulo. Okay? So, ito, meron siya sa dulo, meron din siya dun sa medyo middle part ng electron configuration nyo. So it doesn't matter as long as na siya yung pinakamataas, yun pa rin ang kukunin ninyo. That is 4s2 and then 4p6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 valence electrons. Okay? So that is how you identify valence electron. Okay, using the electronic configuration. You can also identify kung anong element tong mga to. Okay? Just by simply looking at the valence shell. So for number 1, that is 4s1. You call this the valence shell. Valence shell configuration. Okay? So sa number 2 is 3s2. Number 3 is 3s2, 3p5. So number 4 is 3s2, 3p4. So number 5 is 4s2, 4p6. So these are the valence shell configuration of our 5 example. So we all know, going back to the map, itong map natin. Okay, ito yung map natin. So ito yung mga n value natin, yung 4, 3, and 4. Okay, it also identifies the main energy level. And then the first quantum number or the period number. So ibig sabihin, yung first electronic configuration natin, okay, na ito, okay, belongs to period 4 element group 1. Kasi di ba yung exponent is the valence electron in group 1. So 4s1. Period 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then group 1, that is potassium. So this element is potassium. Okay, pagdating dito, 3s2, so it belongs to period 3, group 2. So period 1, 2, 3, group 2, and that element is magnesium. Okay, so pagdating dito sa number 3 example, it belongs to period 3, tapos 5 plus 2, group 7. Period 3, 1, 2, 3, ito yung period 3, group, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is chlorine. Ito yung group 7. This is chlorine. Okay, then this is period 3 also, 4 plus 2, that is 6, group 6. So period 3, group 6. Okay, ito siya, and that is sulfur. Okay, and then in our last example, so nasa period 4, group 6 plus 2, that is 8. So ito yung 8. Okay, period 4, group 8, and that is for krypton. Okay, so that is how you identify valence electron using the electronic configuration of the atom. Okay. So next slide, how to distribute electrons in the main energy level. So these are our N, ito yung N natin. Ito yung main energy level natin. Paano natin i-distribute yung merong atomic orbital representation? Okay, so if we have the nucleus of the atom, let's say this is the nucleus of potassium with atomic number 19. Okay, so meron tayong tinatawag na main energy level. So main energy level 1, main energy level 2, 3, and then 4. Meron din tayong tinatawag na the maximum number of electrons in each main energy level. Ito lang yung electrons na kayang i-hold ng bawat main energy level natin. So in the first main energy level natin, okay, we have 2 electrons. Bakit 2 lang ang kaya niyang i-hold? Kasi meron siyang tinatawag na sublevel, the SPDF. Isa lang yung sublevel niya, which is the S2 sublevel. So that is 2 electron, the maximum. Pagdating sa 8, bakit 8? Kasi meron lang siyang dalawang sublevel. That is the S and P sublevel. And then if you're going to add the maximum number of electrons of that particular sublevel, and then you will have 8. Then pagdating sa third main energy level, tatlo yung sublevel din. Then you will have an 18 electrons in its main energy level. So sa last is 4. Okay? So you will have the maximum number of electrons of 32. Okay, pag sinabi nating maximum, hanggang dito lang. Bawa, ito yung 8 siya. Yan ang maximum niya, hanggang 8 lang. Pag naging 9 na yan, pupunta na siya sa third mean energy level, yung pang 9th electron na yon. Hindi na siya dito. Okay? Pero pwede siyang mabawasan. Hindi siya pwedeng sumobra. Pagdating dito sa third main energy level, the maximum is 18. Hindi siya pwedeng sumobra ng 18. Ang maximum lang niya kasi is 18. Pero pwede siyang 17, 16, 15 hanggang papunta sa 1. Okay? Ganun din sa last. Okay? Sa 32 electrons, sa fourth main energy level. Okay. So, how to distribute electrons in the main energy level? Okay. Let's have an example. Say we have calcium. Ito, yung calcium. Calcium has an atomic number of 20. So, calcium belongs to period 4. So, therefore, ang kanyang main energy level ay 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, since we have 20, 20 is the atomic number, and then in a neutral atom, the atomic number is always equal to the number of protons, and the number of protons is also equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. So, 20 rin ang electrons niya. So, 20 ang i-distribute. Eh, sir, paano natin i-distribute ngayon yung 20? If-follow nyo lang itong mga to. Okay? Yung apat na yan. So, we all know that calcium belongs to group 2A. So, 2A, ito yan, 2A. So, ang 2A has 2 valence electrons. All electrons found at the highest main energy level, nandun yung valence. So, ano ba yung highest? We have yung 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pinaka-highest main energy level ng calcium is 4 main energy level. So, therefore, yung dalawang valence nandito na kagad sa dulo. Alam niyo na kagad yan. Matik yun. Okay. So, since this is 20, alam niyo na kagad na yung first main energy level ang maximum niya is 2, completely filled na yan. So, 2 electrons na yan. So, ang natitira niyo na lang is, that is 16. So ilalagay niyo na dito yung 16. Okay? So, that is 2, 8, 8, 2. So, that is the distribution of electrons in the main energy level for calcium. Pwede siyang 18 kasi ang maximum niya, pwede siyang 8 kasi ang maximum naman sa third main energy level is 18. Okay? So, next. Let's have this example, potassium. Potassium is 19. Potassium belongs to period 4 also. So, 4. Okay? So, we all know that potassium belongs to group 1A. So, ang valence electron niya is 1. So, ang dulo niya 1. Okay? 2. The second main energy level is 8. And then this is 8. So, that is 19. A total of 19. So, let us have krypton. Krypton is 36. Krypton is 36, belongs to period 4 also. Ayan yung krypton. Period 4, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang krypton belongs to group 8. Group 8, so alam niyo na kagad na 8 yung dulo niya. That is the valence electron. A. So, dahil 36 yan, this is A. 2. 8. And then 36, 8, 10. Okay? So, 20, 28, 30. That is 36. Okay, that is how to distribute the electrons in each main energy level. Okay, just simply follow this one. Hindi kayo mawawala. Gamitin nyo lang number is 2, 8, 18, and then 32. So, hindi na kayo mawawala. Basta as long as alam nyo yung first main energy level, puno lagi yun, lalo na kung malalaki yung number of electrons. So, 2 na kagad yun. So, 2, 8. Magkasunod na kagad 2, 8. Noong dulo nyo naman, alam nyo naman kung ano yung group number, that is the valence electron. So, ang dulo nyo, lagi yung valence electron kung anong group siya. So, ang poproblemahin nyo na lang is the inner electron. So, sa inner electron, pwede nyo nang gamitin yung 8 and 18 na number. Okay? So, huwag lang lalagpas doon. Okay? Next. So, what are Lewis dot symbols? So, Lewis dot symbols These are symbols showing chemically important electrons, and these electrons are the valence electron. So as you can see, so based in this given periodic table, we have here the Lewis symbols of the representative elements. Okay, so all elements belonging to group 1A, the valence electron is 1 valence, and then this is 2 valence electron, 1 valence, and then this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 valence. So the Lewis dot symbol represents the valence electron. So all elements belonging to group 1A has a valence electron of 1, and the symbol also have a 1 dot. Kaya ang hydrogen isang dot, lithium isang dot, sodium isang dot, and so on. Pagdating sa beryllium, beryllium has 2 electrons kasi it belongs to group 2A. So, dalawa yung dots niya. So, up to, yan, yung sa baba. Okay? Then, pagdating sa group 3A, 3 yung dots, 4A is 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay? So, it doesn't matter kung paano nyo ilalagay yung dot ninyo, kung isa lang. Pero, lagi yung tatandaan nyo, kapag medyo madami na, dahil kung umabot na yan ng 7, i-pair nyo na siya, bawat side. Halimbawa, yung sa fluorine. Fluorine belongs to 7A. So, laging partner yung paglalagay nyo ng dot. Kapag madami na, laging pair. Okay? So, wag niyong pagsasamahin na ang fluorine, this is the right one. Huwag niyong gagawin na ang fluorine, gagawin yung ganitong, ganyan, tapos yung 7. So, gawin yung, i-distribute nyo evenly. Okay? So, this is the wrong one of putting the Lewis dot symbol. Lagi nyo i-partner muna. Okay, next. Okay, so formation of ionic compounds. So, we all know in writing chemical formula that ionic compounds consist of or composed of cations and anions. So, cations are the positive ions, and these are the metals with low electronegativity, low ionization energy, and can be easily oxidized. Okay? Pag sinabi natin oxidized, it loses electron. That is why all metals has a positive charge. Kasi the positive charge indicates that the electron is being lost during chemical bonds. Okay? Pagdating naman sa ions, ions are the anions. Anions are the negative ions. This is for the nonmetals with high electronegativity, high ionization energy, and can readily reduce or gains electron. That is why nonmetals always bears a positive charge or a positive oxidation number. Laging ang nonmetal is negative ang charge or oxidation number kasi the negative charge indicates that the electron is being gained by that particular atom. Okay, so the ionic bond or electrons are transferred, not shared. Many Lewis formula are based on the idea that in most of their compounds, the representative elements or the family A achieve noble gas configuration. This statement is usually called the octet rule or the rule of 8. So for an atom to become stable, so an atom must acquire an 8 valence electron, laging 8 para maging stable. And that rule because the noble gas configuration have 8 valence electron in their outer shell except helium. Okay? So ionic bond, the electrostatic force that holds ions together in an ionic compound. Pag sinabi nating electrostatic, the attraction between positive and negative charges. Ionic bond lang yung merong electrostatic force of attraction, yung strong na electrostatic force of attraction. Yung iba kasi medyo weak na yung ganun, weak na yung electrostatic. Okay, force of attraction. Let's say for example, we have this lithium and then fluorine. Okay, so the Lewis symbol in the formation of ionic compound of fluorine is that one. Okay. So electron. Lithium loses 1 electron and then fluorine gains the other electron. So the formation of lithium fluoride. Okay. Say use the Lewis dot symbol to show the formation of aluminum oxide. Okay, so aluminum is here. Let's practice that. So aluminum ninyo ay merong 3 valence electron. Okay. 3, and then ang oxygen ninyo is here. Oxygen has 6 valence electron. Okay, so ang aluminum nyo ay 2. Aluminum. Tapos ang oxygen nyo is 3 with 6 valence. 3, 6. Ang valence, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, since this is ionic compound or formation of ionic compound, electrons are being transferred. So this 2 electrons, this para ma-form yan, pupunta siya dito. Okay? Yan, yung dalawang yan. Punta dyan. Other one is here. Okay? Then dyan. And then ito dito. Okay? And the other one is here. Okay, so if that happens, if that electron will be transferred, so it will form the compound aluminum oxide. Okay? So, ganyan, transfer of electron. Let's have calcium oxide. So calcium belongs to group 2A and oxygen is belong to 6A. So ang calcium natin has 2 electrons. Okay? Ating calcium, and then oxygen has 6 electrons. 5, 6. So during chemical bonds, so dito siya pupunta yung dalawang valence. Okay? Okay. And then you will get calcium and oxygen. And that is the Lewis symbol. Okay, potassium oxide. Potassium has 2 atoms. So, okay, dalawa with 1 valence. And then oxygen has 6, 5, 6. Ganyan. Ito doon. Andito yung dalawang valence. So, yung potassium ninyo, okay, pwedeng ganito ang itsura. Para maayos. Ito yung K. K, OK. Okay? So, that is how you form ionic compound. Okay, so formation of covalent compounds, it involves sharing of electrons. This time, sharing of electrons. In sharing of electrons, it represents bonds. We have 3 types of bond, which is single, double bond, and triple bond. Okay? So, in single bond, share 1 pair of electrons. So, ibig sabihin yan, dalawa yung electron niya. 1, 2. So, pair, lagi. So, pag sa double bond, share 2 pairs of electrons and 2 pairs. 2 pairs. Then sa triple bond, 3 pairs of electron. 3 pairs of electrons. So, imbis na ilalagay natin is, kung ito yung atom, andito siya, tapos isang atom, andito din, imbis na ganyan, sa formation of covalent compounds, we will be not using this one. Okay? So, ang gagamitin na natin is bond. So, pwede siyang gawing X, tapos yan, tapos to. Yan. So, yung dalawang yan, yung pair na yan, nirepresent yun as single line. Okay? In the formation of covalent compound. Sa ionic, hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin yung dash line. Yung single, double, and triple bond. Okay? So, molecular or covalent compounds. So, why should 2 atoms share electrons? Okay? So, sa fluorine, we have fluorine with 7 valence electron. Okay? So, you will have this one. So, instead of using this Lewis symbol, okay, and 7 electrons, and then magiging siyang 8 kasi mag-share sila. Okay, the Lewis structure for fluorine gas become that one. Okay, and then you call this one, yung mga nasa labas yung unshared electrons are the lone pairs. Lone pair electrons. Okay, yan yung unshared, yung mga nasa outer electron, yung nasa labas ng symbol, yung dots, those are the lone pair. And then this particular dash line is the covalent bond. Okay, single covalent bond. Okay, that is the covalent bond. Lewis structure of water. Okay, so the Lewis symbol for hydrogen is H plus 1 dot. So 1 ang valence. Ang oxygen has 6 valence electrons, so meron siyang 6 dots. Okay, so in the formation of water, so this is the Lewis symbol. Okay, so the most accepted part is symbol is this one. Okay, kasi meron kayong shared electrons. Okay. Okay, dalawa yung single. Double bond, two atoms share two pairs of electrons. So in our example, for carbon dioxide, okay, so meron na kayong double covalent bond, triple bond is for nitrogen gas. Okay, 8 din. So nag-share kayo. Next. So apply the octet rule in the formation of the following covalent compounds by showing its Lewis structure. Then apply the octet rule. So for HCl, H has 1 valence and then chlorine has 7. Okay? So, pag ito nag-bond, okay, you will have H and then Cl 3, 4, 6. Ganyan. Or H dash line chlorine 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6. This is pair 8. So octet rule. Okay, next, carbon tetrachloride. So for carbon tetrachloride, we have carbon as your lone atom. Kung ano lang yung nag-iisang lone atom, siya lagi yung middle sa structural formula. Then i-bond yun na. Then chlorine, 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 then chlorine, apat. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and ito yung 7 niya. Dahil kinuha niya isang valence electron ni carbon, this will become 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 yan. Ito, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 then. And then this one is 2, 4, 6 plus 1 pair, 8. So this is 8. Then octet rule. Sa carbon, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is sharing of electrons. Kaya lahat sila conforms to octet rule. Okay? So sa boron trifluoride, so boron will be the central atom. F, F, F. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. So kulang siya. Meron pa siya ditong dalawang lone electron. So this is how you construct the Lewis structure of covalent compounds. Okay?